Presenting the Kia 2019 Sedona SX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 276 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.